Now you pay attention. You need your helmet now.
I'm watching.
Helmet. Look up at Daddy.
Be patient. Be patient.
All right, you're good. Go for it. We've scrapped a few times already. Oops. All right, back on it. Ready? Are you done? All right, Daddy's gonna ride.
Look at Daddy ride. Okay, you want that off? Come here. Okay. Almost got you. Hold on. Be patient. Wait, let Mommy. Okay, there you go.
Are you taking Daddy's seat? Oh no, we're going upstairs.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.